If there's one side dish I love to make during the summer, it's this quinoa salad with roasted broccoli and feta. While it only takes a few ingredients to prepare, this dish packs a lot of flavor, so don't let its simplicity fool you. To start, place chopped broccoli florets on a baking sheet lined with foil, drizzle with olive oil, and then season with salt and pepper, mixing well to coat. We're going to place this in a 400-degree oven for about 30 minutes, stirring every 10 minutes. While the broccoli cooks, rinse the quinoa under cool running water. It's important not to skip this step because quinoa has a natural bitter-tasting coating, which you want to remove before cooking. Place quinoa in a saucepan with vegetable broth and cook until soft and fluffy. About 5 minutes before the broccoli is done, add chopped garlic to the pan and stir to coat. Return to the oven for the remaining 5 minutes to cook. Transfer the quinoa to a large serving bowl and add the broccoli and garlic. Stir in about 3/4 of the feta cheese, then use the rest to top the salad. Serve with your favorite summertime dishes, whether it's with grilled chicken for an easy weekday dinner or burgers at your family's weekend cookout. For the full recipe, visit bigY.com. Until next time, be well.